Becoming a good student involves a combination of study habits, time management, motivation, and self-discipline. Here's a tutorial on how to become a good student. Setting goals. 1. Define your goals. Identify what you want to achieve academically. Set short-term and long-term goals to give your studies direction and purpose. Developing effective study habits. 2. Create a study schedule. Establish a routine that includes dedicated study time for each subject daily. 3. Organize your workspace. Maintain a tidy and organized study environment to minimize distractions. 4. Take effective notes. Develop a system for taking notes during lectures and while studying to reinforce learning. Time management. 5. Prioritize tasks. Rank your tasks based on urgency and importance to focus on high-priority assignments. 6. Use a planner. Keep a planner or use digital tools to schedule tasks, assignments, exams, and study sessions. Active learning. 7. Engage in class. Participate actively in class discussions, ask questions, and seek clarification on concepts you don't understand. 8. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask teachers, classmates, or tutors for help when you're struggling with a subject. Self-discipline and motivation. 9. Stay motivated. Remind yourself of your goals and the reasons why you want to succeed in your studies. 10. Practice. Self-discipline. Stay focused on your studies, avoid distractions, and maintain a balance between study and relaxation. Continuous improvement. 11. Reflect on progress. Regularly assess your study habits and academic performance. Identify areas for improvement and make adjustments accordingly. 12. Seek feedback. Request feedback from teachers or mentors to understand your strengths and areas needing improvement. Healthy lifestyle. 13. Prioritize. Health. Get adequate sleep, maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and practice stress relief techniques to support your physical and mental well-being. Celebrate achievements. 14. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, whether big or small, to stay motivated and inspired. By incorporating these strategies into your academic routine and personal habits, you can cultivate the traits that make a good student. Remember, everyone's learning journey is unique, so find what works best for you and adapt these tips to suit your individual learning style and goals.